Hey guys, and what is up? So in this video I'm gonna go ahead and do some flip throughs of the sticker books that I got. So I did do flip throughs of the Faith collection stickers that I got, which is the Marble Faith sticker pad, the Walk by Faith, and the Marble Faith collection. You can find those in my Faith collection video flip throughs, and yeah, I already went ahead and posted that, so you can see detailed flips of these sticker books on there. So yeah, let's go ahead and skip on through to the next ones that I got. So this is the Reach New Heights sticker book. How cute. And I was just talking about needing to get back into my faith, oh my gosh, my fitness. That is so cute. I love the colors in this. So pretty. Okay, and let's do Marabou Designs in the big. I know a lot of us already got this sticker book, but it doesn't hurt to do a quick little flip through of this. So I did get this in the mini, so I'm glad I have it in the big, so now I have no excuses to use the one that I got. And I can go kind of faster since I know a lot of you all have seen flip throughs of all of this. So cute. I just love her illustrations and her drawings and everything. I love the colors too, because I'm more of a neutral girl, but I still like colors. I just like more of the muted colors. Oh, these are so cute. I made a spread using the sticker book not too long ago, and it was just absolutely gorgeous. I love these. Cute. Okay, so there's that one. And then let's do neutral watercolors. Let me actually remove this vase that I have in front of us so it doesn't make weird sounds. So this is the neutral watercolors. How beautiful are these? I love how neutral they are. And I honestly love that it doesn't have anything on the boxes like today or anything like that, because I know sometimes they put like the word today or to do or remember in it, and sometimes it stops me from using the box. So I love that it doesn't say anything at all. Oh yes, dots. They could just make me a dot sticker book. I would be happy. Gorgeous. Oh, and this does have like lines in it, but they're like a silver foiled. So cute. Oh, I love these colors. It's going a little faster, but these are so pretty. Okay, so there's that. And then let's do bold and blush. So of course we're all about bold and blush colors here. Oh, I'm already obsessed. I love foiled stickers. I know it's like the worst to take pictures of, but I just love them. We love boxes. Cute. Oh, these are so pretty. I love these colors. Darling, you're different. How cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Always shine bright. It's like the same thing but foiled. Create your own happiness. Ooh, these are so cute. Okay, so that is Bold End Blush. And then let's do the Abstract Watercolor. Oh, I'm obsessed with these already. Oh, these are so nice. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Wow, this is totally me. I love these. Honestly, wish I would have gotten more from this collection, but I'm probably just gonna have to buy it myself. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, this is like glitter. Oh my gosh, I just keep getting obsessed. Oh yes, and look, it has like little faces so you can kind of track your mood. How cute. And it's like subtle. I like that it's not like loud. Oh my gosh, this is totally like my vibe. Wow, this is gorgeous. Ooh, these are so pretty. Look at these boxes. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is absolutely stunning. I love it. Oh, and then you have more of these. And you have some quotes, some words. So that is Abstract Watercolor. And then we have the Papillon. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. But this is like butterflies and like botanicals kind of. Look how pretty. I'm obsessed with this. I love these stickers. These two would go so good together. Like the colors just go so well together. But look how beautiful. Oh, these butterflies are just absolutely stunning. Love, love, love. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I like these colors. See, I like muted colors. Like, I still like color, just muted. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, these are so cute. More butterflies. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, these are really pretty. I just keep saying these are really pretty. Oh, these are cute. Yes, I wish there was more of these, but these are gorgeous. So that is the Papillon sticker book. And then we have Color Story Big and Mini. I'm not sure if these are like exactly the same. It looks like there's a lot of similar sticker books, but not all the same. Okay, so this is the big. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a rainbow. Oh, I love that. Oh, these are so cute. I love that they're subtle. Like, I know they had the, what was the sticker book called, or the collection, Jungle Vibes. And I love that collection, but the colors were just not me. So this is really cute. Oh, I love this. And they obviously have a little bit of everything. So here's some of the Papillon. This is the Bold and Blush. Did I skip one? No, I didn't. So cute. Ooh, these are really pretty. These are really pretty, like abstract watercolor. How cute. And that is that. So that is the big. And then I got the mini. Ooh, so pretty. So it's pretty similar, but still like different. That is so cute. And the Papillon. How cute are these? And I thought I skipped one. The Bold and Blush. Wow, these are just so pretty. So yeah, it's pretty similar, just like there's probably like a little bit more stickers on each of them and obviously like smaller. How cute. Okay, so that is all the stickers that I got, including these, but I did flips of these in my Faith one. I can do quick ones right here, just kind of flip through them so y'all can see them. And if you want to see more detailed ones, then you can, of course, check out the Faith collection that I did, and you can skip through the front if you're not interested in watching like the planners and stuff. The stickers are at the back at the end. So cute. Awesome. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.